Pottery is old, really old. It goes back thousands of years. People needed stuff. They needed pots for cooking, storing, and eating. Clay was everywhere. So pottery was born. Different cultures made pottery their own. Think about it. Greek vases tell stories of gods and heroes. Chinese porcelain is famous for its beauty and delicacy. Pots aren't just containers. They reflect the people who made them. Their beliefs, their lives, their creativity. It's all there in the clay. Making pottery is simple, but not easy. First, you need clay. It's dug from the ground, then it's cleaned and mixed to the right consistency. Like making a cake, you need the right ingredients. Next, the shaping. A potter's wheel spins. The potter's hands guide the clay. It takes skill and practice. Plates, bowls, mugs, even fancy sculptures all start on the wheel. Once the piece is shaped, it needs to dry. Then comes the firing. A special oven called a kiln gets incredibly hot. The heat hardens the clay, making it strong. Finally, glazing. A thin coat of liquid glass is applied. This gives the pottery its color and shine. Another trip to the kiln, and the piece is ready. Pottery is more than just making stuff. It's about skill. It's about feeling the clay in your hands, knowing just how much pressure to apply. But it's also about expression. Each piece is unique. The potter's personality shines through. A simple mug can be a work of art. Think about the colors, the shapes, the textures. A potter can make something rough and earthy, or smooth and elegant. The possibilities are endless. So, pottery is ancient, but it's not stuck in the past. Oh no, people still love handmade ceramics. There's a warmth and honesty to them. Pottery studios are popping up everywhere. People find it therapeutic, getting their hands dirty, connecting with an ancient craft. Online shops and craft markets are booming. Potters are finding new ways to sell their work. They're keeping the tradition alive but also making it their own. Pottery is a link to the past, a reminder of our human need to create. And in our modern world, that's something worth cherishing.